In today's video, I'm going to show you this really cool white flash effect which can be used to transition from one shot to another, or it can be used to emphasize a beat inside of a music video. So once we've loaded up Adobe Premiere Pro and we have two video files imported into a sequence, we can go over to the Effects tab on the left and search for Levels. Drag Levels onto the first video clip and we'll go up into the Effect Controls tab, scroll to the very end of that first clip, and in the white input level, we're going to drag this down to a very small number. So in this example, I'm going to drag this all the way down to 40 and we'll create a brand new keyframe. Now we'll scroll back 3 keyframes and we'll pull this up to the original value of 255. And now we need to do the same thing for the second video clip, but we need to do it for the start of the clip rather than the end of the clip. So we'll drag levels onto the second video clip, scroll back to the very beginning of that clip, and in the white input level we'll drag this down to a small number, so I'll go to 75 in this example, create a brand new keyframe and scroll across a few keyframes, and then we'll pull this back up to the original value. And there you go, that is how you do a really basic white flash, but we can extend this out to make this look more unique. And if we zoom into the second video clip and we extend the second keyframe out to the right, this will extend the effect, and this means that it's going to be whiter for longer. And there you go, that is how you do the white flash animation inside of Adobe Premiere Pro. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell icon, and I will see you tomorrow for another brand new video. See you there.